Welcome to this real-world fuel economy test for the BMW M240. What we're going to do is hop inside the car and reset the trip computer. We can then take it for a drive from there and see how it gets on. Okay, so now that we're inside the car out of the rain, I want to run through the trip computer to show you first of all how you reset it. So there's a button on the end of the indicator stalk. Every push of that will give us a different figure, as we can see up here. The figure that we're most interested in right now is the average fuel consumption figure, which is this one. So if I push and hold that button, it will reset that information. The next setting, which is that one, is the instant average miles per gallon as you're driving along, so that will change continuously. We've then got average speed. I'm also going to reset that because that certainly has a bearing on the fuel economy figure for this car. And then we're right the way back round to the beginning again. Now, before we take this car for a drive, it's important to note that it's a 340 horsepower car. It's certainly designed for performance, but there are various different settings. We can put the car into sport mode, for example, comfort mode, and Eco Pro. Now, seeing as we're going for a fuel economy figure here, I'm going to put the car in Eco Pro mode. You can see to the right hand side here now, it will show us when we're using power and when we're getting charge essentially from the battery on the car as well. So we're going to take the car for a drive now, and we'll reassess this figure when we get back and see how the car's got on. Okay, so now that we're back from our drive, you can see that we managed a brilliant 31.9 miles per gallon. Given, as I said before, the performance this car is capable of, I think it did a really great job in terms of its return on fuel there. Just so you can see the rest of the statistics, we averaged 37.5 miles per hour on that test route. So very much a kind of combined fuel economy figure overall, and then all the way back round to the beginning again. If you would like to come and have a drive of a BMW M140 for yourself, please don't hesitate in calling any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.